Close your eyes for a moment. Take a slow breath. And imagine yourself standing in front of a mirror. You see your face, your expressions, your eyes. But today, you see something else. A shadow behind you. A shadow whispering, "You can't do it. You're not good enough. What if everything goes wrong?" That shadow is negative thinking. And today, in this journey together, we are going to face that shadow, break it, destroy it, and walk out of this audio with a new mind, a stronger mind, a victorious mind. Negative thinking is like an invisible prison, one that we build brick by brick, not with stones, but with thoughts. Every time you say, "I can't," one brick is added. Every time you think, "What if I fail?" another brick is added. Every time you believe that others are better than you, another brick. And before you realize it, you lock yourself inside a prison that didn't even exist until you created it. But here's the truth. Just like you built it, you can break it. Because your mind listens to every word you say, every picture you imagine, every fear you repeat. Your thoughts create your emotions. Your emotions create your actions. Your actions create your life. So if you want a different life, you must start with different thoughts.
Negativity doesn't come from the sky. It doesn't come from enemies. It doesn't come from failures. It comes from within, from repeated fear, from overthinking, from worrying about the future, from past pain that we never healed. Sometimes it comes from people who planted doubt in your mind, people who told you you're not capable, you can't succeed, you're ordinary. But remember, those people spoke from their limitations, not yours. You were born with limitless potential. You just forgot it. Let me tell you a story. There was once a boy named Reuven. He was talented, brilliant, creative, full of dreams. But there was one problem. He thought too much. He doubted too much. And he believed too little. Every morning he woke up with fear. What if today goes wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if I fail again? This fear made him slow. He wouldn't start anything. He wouldn't finish anything. He wouldn't try anything new. One day, his teacher gave him a simple question. Why don't you believe in yourself? Reuven looked down and said, because I don't see anything special in me. The teacher smiled and replied, that's because you are standing too close to the picture. Take one step back, and you will see the beauty. That day, Reuven realized something powerful. Sometimes our mind is too close to our flaws and too far from our strengths. He began focusing on one small positive thought a day, just one. And slowly, the fog of negativity started to fade, because every positive thought is like turning on a light in a dark room. Negative thinking is like biting your nails. You don't want to do it. You don't plan to do it, but you do it automatically. Why? Because it becomes a habit of imagining the worst, a habit of self-judgment, a habit of seeing problems instead of possibilities. But here's the good news. If negativity is a habit, then positivity can also be a habit. And any habit can be changed. Any habit can be broken. Any habit can be recreated. Your brain has two voices. One voice says, "You can't. You're weak. You're not enough." This is the voice of survival, designed to protect you, but often stopping you. The second voice says, "Try. You can grow. You can improve." This is the voice of progress. Whichever voice you feed becomes stronger. If you feed fear, fear grows. If you feed doubt, doubt grows. If you feed negative thoughts, your entire life becomes negative. But if you feed courage, faith, self-belief, you become unstoppable. Negative thinking often grows from the lie of perfection. I must be perfect. I must never fail. I must always get it right. But perfection doesn't exist. And if you chase something that doesn't exist, you will always feel like a failure. Understand this deeply. Life is not about being perfect. Life is about progress. You learn, you fall, you rise, you grow. Every failure teaches you something. Every mistake pushes you forward. Failures don't destroy you. Negative thinking does. Here is the powerful part. Number 1, catch the negative thought. Don't let it pass silently. When your mind says, "I can't," respond immediately. Who said that? Why can't I? What proof do I have? You will find most negative thoughts are lies. 2. Replace it with a positive truth. Replace "I'm not good enough" with "I can improve." Replace "I will fail" with "I will learn." Replace "it's too late" with "it's still possible." 3. Build small victories. Do one small thing each day that makes you proud. Small wins kill big negativity. 4. Silence the inner critic. When your mind attacks you, don't fight it. Replace it. Your inner voice should become your coach, not your enemy. 5. Watch your environment. Negative people create negative thoughts. Weak-minded people create weak thoughts. Surround yourself with people who believe, encourage, push, uplift. 6. Focus on gratitude. You cannot be negative and grateful at the same time. Gratitude is your shield. A teacher once drew a small black dot on a white paper. He asked his students, "What do you see?" Everyone said, "A black dot." No one noticed the wide white space surrounding it. This is how negativity works. One small problem, one small failure, one mistake, and you ignore all the good things. Stop staring at the black dot. Start seeing the white space. Start seeing your strengths, your growth, your courage, your progress. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, standing confident,
standing strong, standing free from negativity. Imagine waking up with purpose. Imagine working without fear. Imagine dreaming without limits. This future is possible, not because magic will happen, but because your thoughts will change. You have the power to create a new life with new thoughts. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are not hopeless. You are powerful. You are growing. You are becoming unstoppable. Negative thinking doesn't define you. It never did. It never will. What defines you is how you rise above it. Say this with me. I am stronger than my thoughts. I am capable. I am worthy. I choose positivity. I choose growth. I choose myself. This is your new beginning. This is your new mindset. This is your new life. Walk forward with courage. Walk forward with faith. Walk forward with belief. Because the only thing standing between you and a better life is the thought you are thinking right now. Choose the right one. Your mind is powerful. Use it to build, not destroy.